which best fits the activation synthesis theory of dreaming. If you've ever wondered why you have those crazy dreams at night, you're not alone. For centuries, people have been trying to figure out what dreams mean and why we have them. One of the most popular theories is the activation synthesis theory, so let's break it down. This theory was proposed by two neuroscientists, John Allen Hobson and Robert McCarley, back in 1977. They suggested that dreams are not some deep, hidden messages from our subconscious, but rather the brain's way of making sense of random signals during REM sleep. Here's how it works. During REM sleep, the brainstem is highly active. This activity triggers the cerebral cortex, which is the part of the brain responsible for thinking and problem solving, to try and make sense of these random signals. Essentially, the brain is like a computer processing information, even when we're asleep. The key point of this theory is that dreams don't have any special meaning. They're just the brain's attempt to interpret the random neural activity happening during REM sleep. This can result in dreams that are surreal and often illogical, mixing different experiences from our lives in strange ways. For example, if you dream about being in a place that looks like your childhood home, but also has elements of your current office, it's just the brain combining different memories and experiences to create a coherent narrative out of the random signals it's receiving. So what does this mean for our understanding of dreams? It means that dreams are more of a byproduct of brain processes rather than a window into our subconscious mind. The activation synthesis theory helps us understand that dreams are a natural part of how our brains work, especially during sleep. In summary, the activation synthesis theory explains that dreams are the result of the brain trying to make sense of random neural activity during REM sleep, and they don't necessarily have any deep or hidden meanings. This theory gives us a clearer picture of what happens in our brains while we dream.